A body part. Let's make a body part. Body, you have to make a chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Starting in the second chain here, and you have to make a single crochet. Round, we have to make a 4 single crochet, and this time we are going to join this feet part right over here in the body. Increase, and we have to mark the stitches right over here this time. Remove this. Now 2 single crochet, 1 in, 2. After making 2 single crochet, now we are going to join this feet part here. Three single crochet and join this feet part together. 1, 2, 3. Again, we are going to make a 6 single crochet. 3, and then 4, 5, and 6. And after making a 6, we are going to join next foot. With a 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and after this we will make 1 more single crochet, and we will do 1 increase, and then 2 single crochet, 1 in, 2. After making a 2 single crochet, we are going to do the next, that means 1 increase here, and after that we will make a 1 single crochet, and we are going to join the next foot. To join this part, you have to make a 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and the last one is a 3. That's it. You have to join this foot part together like this. 2 single crochet, remove the stitch marker, and 1 and 2. For the body part, round 3, we are going to do is a 3 single crochet. First of all, we will just do a 3 single crochet, 1 from here, and this is a 2, and then 3. After making a 3 single crochet, we are going to do is a single crochet together, and after doing this, we are going to make a 7 single crochet from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we are going to do the single crochet together here and then here. For single crochet, repeat the same thing until you reach the last part, okay? Okay, now the last part, we have to make a single crochet, 1 single crochet, and for round 6 to round 11, we are just going to make a single crochet all over the chain stitches. round 12, you have to make an 8 single crochet. One, and don't forget to mark the stitches. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have to decrease for one time. In the next stitches, you have to insert the hook and bring 3 loops in yarn and put to all. And now 10 single crochet from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And after this, after making a 10 single crochet, I'm going to make a 1 single crochet in decrease. Again, we are going to do 1 single crochet, 1 decrease. We have to do this for 6 times. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times, and 6 times. After making this, we are going to do is the next round. We have to do a 12 single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12, and you have to after making a 12, you have to decrease in single crochet for all rounds. Thirteen. You have to make an 8 single crochet, two, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and right over here is 8, and we will do 3 decrease now. 1 decrease, 2 decrease, and 3 decrease. And after this, we will be doing 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will do again a 3 decrease from here. 1 decrease, 2 decrease, 3 decrease. After this, we have to do 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. And after this, 1 decrease right over here, and we have to make single crochet for all rounds.